Greetings from Edu Aspirants, our YouTube channel to Ace Academics, competitive exams, entrance exams, as also for enrichment of knowledge. In the series of our videos for revision for the class 10 board examination, these are some expected questions of chemistry. Let us see. The equation 4Al plus 3MnO2 is 2Al2O3 plus 3Mn. It represents decomposition reaction, combination reaction, double displacement reaction, redox reaction. Have you chosen your answer? Let us see. It is D, redox reaction. Question 2. Why is it important to balance a skeletal chemical equation? Choices are to verify the law of conservation of energy, to verify the law of constant proportion, C, to verify the law of conservation of mass, or is it to verify the law of conservation of momentum? Mark your choice. Let us see. Answer C, to verify the law of conservation of mass. During electrolysis of water, if the volumes of oxygen and hydrogen evolved at the electrodes are VO and VH respectively, then VO/VH is 4, 2, half or 1 by 4. Have you marked your choice? Let us see the answer. It is C, half. Fourth, on whitewashing the walls of a room, they give shining white look after drying. This is due to the formation of CaCl2, CaOH whole twice, Ca or CaCO3. Mark your choice. Let us see the answer. Answer is D, that is CaCO3. Question 5. Which of the following is an example of simple displacement reaction? Is it electrolysis of water or reaction of two salt solutions to form a precipitate, or is it the reaction of metal with an acid or burning of methane gas? Have you marked your choice? Let us confirm. The correct choice is the reaction of metal with an acid. Question 6. Select a pair of oxides which are soluble in water to form alkalis. Is it A, B, C or D? Have you marked your choice? Let us see the correct choice. C. This is sodium oxide and potassium oxide. Question 7. Which of the following phenomena occur when a small amount of acid is added to water? Is it ionization, neutralization, dilution, formation? Choices are given here. Mark your choice. Let us see the correct choice. Answer is B, that is 1 ionization and 3 dilution is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following salts has no water or crystallization? Is it plaster of Paris, washing soda, baking soda or gypsum? Let us see the correct choice. It is C, baking soda. Next question. Dehydration of ethanol with concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin gives CH3OH plus H2O, C2H4 plus H2O, C2H2 plus H2O or CH3COOH plus H2O. Have you marked your choice? The correct is B, C2H4 plus H2O. Next question. The following 3 sets of equipment were arranged at the observations were made after 1 hour. A coating on iron fillings was observed in, see this, 1 only, 2 only, 3 only or 2 and 3 both. Let us see the correct choice is B, it's 2 only. So that is iron fillings, CuSO4 copper sulfate solution. Next question. The metal which is alloyed with any other metal to make an amalgam is sodium, mercury, copper or iron. Let us see the correct choice. It is BHG. Next, ethanol reacts with sodium metal to form C3ONa plus H2, C2H5ONa plus H2, C3COONa plus H2 or C3COOH plus H2O. Have you marked your choice? Let us see. Answer is B, C2H5OH plus H2. Next question, zinc oxide plus aluminum oxide or metal oxides. Which of the following best describes the nature of them? Acidic oxide, basic oxide, amphoteric oxide or neutral oxide. The correct choice is C, an amphoteric oxide. Next question. A total number of electrons shared in the formation of an ethyl molecule is 6, 3, 10 or 4. Mark your choice. Fast. Correct choice is 10, that is C. Next is the difference in the formula and molecular masses of C3HOH and C2H5OH is, yes, mark your choice. It is C, CH2 plus 14 blue. 16. What do you observe from the following illustration? See this: stand, metal wire, burner, free end of wire, pin, wax. These are the 4 choices. Go through them and give your choice a thought. Correct choice is B. Metals are good conductors of heat and have high melting point. Question 17. Which of the following elements would form an anion? You know cations and anions? Yes, it is C, sulfur. S is the symbol. 18. Aditi took sulfur powder on a spatula and heated it. She collected the gas evolved by inverting the test tube over it as shown here in the figure. What observations can she make from this? These are the choices. Have you got your choice? Let us see the correct answers. A. The gas is SO2 and it is acidic in nature. Turns moist blue litmus paper into red. Next, 19. The ferrous sulfate crystals decompose to. Got your choice? Let us see the answer. It is A, Fe2O3, SO2, SO3, H2O. 20. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is salt of strong acid, strong acid, weak acid, weak base, weak acid, strong base. Let us see the answer. It is D, weak acid and strong base. 21. The enamel on our teeth is the hardest substance in our body, which is insoluble in water. Chemically, what is it? Calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, calcium chloride or calcium oxide? Should I give you the answer? You must have marked yours. Yes, it is B, calcium phosphate. 22. Which of the following is not observed in a homologous series? Change in chemical properties, difference in CH2 group, gradation in physical properties, same functional group. And the correct choice is A, change in chemical properties for the homologous group. The most commonly used antacid contains calcium sulfate, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. What is the correct antacid? Magnesium hydroxide. Next question, 24. An aqueous solution turns red litmus solution blue. Excess addition of which of the following solution would reverse the change? Hydrochloric acid, baking powder, ammonium hydrochloride solution or sodium chloride? The correct choice is A, HCl, hydrochloric acid. 25. Which of the following represents saponification reaction? Go through these reactions. Have you got the right choice? Yes, it is D, CH3COO, C2H5 plus NaOH, CH3COO, Na plus C2H5OH. Next question. Cinnabar on roasting produces? Yes, silver, mercury, gold, aluminium. It produces B, Hg. Next, which of the following oxides of iron would be obtained on prolonged reaction of iron with steam? These are the choices. and the correct choice is Fe3O4. 28. Carbonate and sulfide ores of metals of medium reactivity are usually converted into metal oxides during the process of extraction. This is done by two methods. These are the four methods. You have four choices rather, each giving two methods. Mark the correct one. Let us see. A. Calcination and roasting respectively. 29. In electrolytic refining of copper, the electrolyte used is copper oxide, hydroxide, sulfate, or acidified copper sulfate aqueous. This is A. Answer is D. Acidified copper sulfate aqueous. 30. Calcium carbonate plus H2O plus CO2 excess is Y. Predict Y. CaO, CaOH whole twice, H2CO3, CaHCO3 twice. Answer is D. CaHCO3 whole twice. Next question. A metal nitrate X on heating gives solid residue Y, a brown gas Z, and a colorless gas Q. Identify X, Y, and Z, or Z as they call it these days. So these are the four choices. Correct choice is X is PbNO3 whole twice, Y is PbO, and Z or Z is NO2. Q is O2. Question 32. An organic compound A having molecular formula C2H4O2 reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate and gives a gas P which acts as a fire extinguisher. Identify the compounds A and B. A is equal to, so these are the four choices. Mark your choice, and the answer choice is A. A is equal to CH3COOH and B is equal to CO2. Next question. An aqueous solution of lead nitrate when mixed with potassium iodide form yellow precipitate which is chemically, yes. Any doubt? You're clear? Yes, this is PbI2. Next question. The compound A with molecular formula C2H4O2 reacts with ethanol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give a sweet smelling substance X which is used in perfumes. Identify the compounds A and X. Mark your choice. Done it? The correct choice is A is equal to CH3COOH and B is equal to B is CH3COOC2H5. That is choice number D. 35. Hard water does not easily measure lather with soap because it contains only magnesium 2+ ions, only calcium ions, only magnesium ions and calcium, both of them, or both sodium and magnesium ions. See the answer C, both magnesium ions and calcium ions. 36. During electrolytic refining of copper, it gets deposited on cathode, deposited on anode, deposited on cathode as well as anode, or remains in the solution. Mark your choice. Let us see the answer. Answer is A, deposited on cathode. 37. Identify X, Y, Z and Q in the following balanced reaction. XAl2O3 plus YNaOH gives CNaAlO2 or Q H2O. So the choice for X1, Y4, Z2 or Q3, something like this. Which one is correct? You have to identify. Correct choice is 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay. So 1, 2, 2, 1. So that is the answer. 38. Which hydrocarbon is represented by the given figure? You can see CH, ethane, ethyne, ethene, propyne. Correct choice is ethene, C. Which of the following hydrocarbons is different from the others? Yes. Got it? Correct is C7H14, that is B choice. Next question is, which of the following is most ductile metal? Copper, aluminium, gold or silver? Au is gold, that is the answer. Identify the product X obtained in the following reaction. Calcium carbonate on heating gives X plus CO2. What do you get? Quicklime, gypsum, limestone or chalk? Yes, A, quicklime. This brings us to the end of our chemistry revision video for class 10. And mind you, we will be uploading physics and bio portion also in separate videos. Keep revising, and mind you, you must go through the videos we uploaded for the 2024 board exam for class 10. Yes, that will be a great help. Subscribe, like, share and do press the bell icon for updates, and best of luck for your exam. Do share with your friends from other schools who are appearing in the board exams.